Well, Raking back, I know you're still alive. You stay away to Hawaii. My God, you military and you're scared to death. You run. I know how you feel. But the ex-wife know that ran the enemy. You don't know about me. That's all you know. And if you know about that I got triplets and you know about the time and they gave me one daughter that now belong to me. Identity theft. Why you don't know the time? My God, you're military air force. You use your brain. Why you cannot pull out first? Why you contact the police? Before you contact the police, you talk the police pull out the face the person. Why identity theft? You know already that they kidnapped me in 1983. Why you cannot pull out the person? You say you you run just like that. You don't know that you got triplets. The daughter no belong to me, belong that Macre or Juna Magallones. Belong to me, kidnapped the time, was the traveler, the chains, and they gave me one the daughter. I pull out the video, wrecking back. I know bros that you white and the dark skin like Harold, that like a German. But the black hair, no belong the Harold. That's the one take over the Harold, the job. You better run that one, that's the demon Lucifer. The takeover was attacked the Florida 96 before. The takeover the Larry Carter's house. The takeover looking the I don't know who you're looking for and they kidnap my dog too, the black hair. The Marilyn Ababa pretend was together was attacked the Florida the Larry Carter's house. Now they got my dog. They kidnapped the time and they kidnapped this black hair that Lucia that Lucy. And Monigan is telling that my identity, that Macri police, the Hawaii is telling my identity. You know already about me and you're digging hard, the Pablo's daughter. Now you police, you're gonna pay because I got brother police the Hawaii too. But I don't talk the brother. Why I know belong the Pablo, belong the Abraham Lincoln Jr. But does he know is Pablo Sanchez Ababa? My father Pablo stayed in Hawaii. You don't know that Don Pablo cigar. I don't like come back over there because many people they take care right there. Not real, carry the gun. Why? They take care of the business. They secure the business. Why? A lot got a problem. The Don Pablo cigar, a lot of people get in. The cat and the snake, they get in, always attack my father, Pablo. No more the attack over there. My father got my brother, my twin brother. Aris got the Aris. You don't know, you put the Aris, and I know already who put the Aris die the computer. I know already that demon Lucifer, that know that die the time, no, die. They put the Harry. Die but come back because of Lucia. That's before. But Lucia, the time, no more power because I give it back. Now I told you, I repeat, you demon Lucifer, you alive. You die the time. Now you come back and you get revenge to me and you get in the wrecking box and you take over my triplets. 86 the time. But some not the 86. The big maze right there. The daughter not 86. I'm talking about 86 is a triplets. The 87 or 89 is different. 90. 90 was no more than 90. 97, we're talking 97. 97, I got the triplets. And I told you, no go the time. They kidnapped me and I don't talk the police. That 97. I talking the police 2003. I get out the room because talk the get out the room, apply the job. They kidnapped me, the gold digger, the cat and the snake. Identity theft. They always kidnap me, but now I stay this area. This area that A lot of story over here to talk about before. Now you gotta remember the story over here. The story over here is a big story that you don't know about me. All you know that Ababa family is a billionaire. You don't know about the story that Ria faced the black hair that Lucia. That Lucia got triplets, and Lucia wear the time that Lucia died before is a cat. They got vagina. The cat. They stealing my identity. The cat. Now you bother my identity. You Dina Kamatsu Ababa pretend. You better get ready. The Riafis. You always attack my job that I don't bother you. You talking and you go the identity. The which one of you? Why you police you cannot sort out the problem? If I'm talking to you nice, you say that no. If I'm calling the police, real the talking to you and real the evidence, identity theft. Why you cannot pull out the face the person? And why is Rosa and why is Monica? And why you police white woman you gave it that Monica, the police report? You don't have evidence. All you do, you take the $100 bills and you gave it that Monica, that police report, and the tiaro me was I stayed at Tina Camacho. Of course, you get in the room. You don't have a warrant, search warrants to my room. You get in, and why you together? But you lost the case, white woman. I should tiaro you that you lost the case. You don't want to take the money, $100. Next time, if you do, you take the money, you did made to me. I don't bother you. You don't want to get jealous to me. And why? And who are you to get jealous to me? And you gave the police report that Monica lost the case that Dina pretend. They collect me twice the rent. Identity theft, white woman. You don't have evidence and you gave it? My God, me, I'm telling the truth because I see if I call the police, means I got evidence. If I don't evidence, I don't have evidence, I don't call the police. How many times I call the police that I know already then always I'm doing laundry and they put puga on my uniform. You know already the video and you know already all the time to put puga and making trouble to me. But you together, that Rosanna Johnson, you together, Monica and Dina Camacho. That's the one you take the money dollar. You're not real, the police. You together, but you say, I can tiaro you. You're not doing your job. You're not doing your job, and you gave the police report that you don't have evidence. Next time, you get your evidence. You pull out the person, you pull out other person. You don't give it without pull out the face, the person. You're making trouble the cat over here, and you don't pull out the Monica and Gina. I win the case, and what do you want from me? I fight my right over here. You always collect me that I pay the rent. Look at that Gina pretend. You told my lawyer that I don't pay rent. Oh my God, I pay rent to Gina. It's Monica to get into Gina's identity. If they pull out the time who was the court, then it's Rosanna Jones. I told you that one, Rosanna Jones, identity theft. They making trouble with me. They know already I'm belong to Abraham Lincoln Jr. is Pablo Sanchez Ababa, the billionaire, the daughter, they kidnap the daughter. All the time they go digger me, want to kill me, told the father die, no more the family. You're wrong, you kidnap me. Pablo White is still alive, stayed at Manila, stayed at job no more. Why? Bankrupt the job. They go to harvest the corn or Manila looking the Lucia. The Pablo Black hair, they track down me, the Misawa Japan and Philippines Cebu. Close the house, the small house. Now, right now, Pablo Black hair, if they see me the video, that's the daughter. Small no, mole nose and the cheek. Because